Yo, just made it. Just arrived. Here we are at the race for me for a bit.
Yeah.
You don't have to click or close it.
Yeah, just one at a time, so. You just have to hit the button. So you put the shell in, you just can hit the release. This is push.
I see.
And then safety is on. Nope. Oh, you just ejected it. Okay, so pull it back. Yeah. So fire off the action first. Oh my god, okay. So,
yeah,
safe direction.
Run through this again.
Pull it back. Yeah, so you can put the shell in. So
Safety's
right now,
off, right?
Yeah, that safety's on, yeah.
Cool. Alright.
Now it's charged, okay. So then when you're prepared to shoot, take off the safety, and then I'll pull and I'll release the birdie. Yes.
Pull.
Nice.
I don't need that guy coaching me.
It's okay.
Certified. Okay, sweet. I was gonna say. Alright, you can count. Alright, cool.
Usually you count how many misses you have, not how many you get.
Pull. Yeah. That was dope. All right, pull. One that got away. Pull.
One that got away.
Pull. Great, man.
Do another round.
All right, where's your? You don't mind being in this video, right?
Yeah, it's okay.
What?
It's okay, yeah.
Yeah, okay,
fine.
cool.
Yeah, you can pull for me.
All right, let's see how you do. My buddy Soproni here.
Pull. Pull. Pull.
Been a while, eh? Feels fucking great. Nice.
Hold.
All right, sweet.
Hold.
That casing came all the way back here too.
Hold. 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 Hold.
Yeehaw.
Hold. Hold. Hold.
Nice.
Hold.
Wicked.
Hold. Hold. Hold.
Nicked the piece there.
Hold. Hold.
Is that last one?
Last one, yeah.
Finale. Make this count, yo.
Hold.
Aw. It's dope, bro. Honestly, perfect weather for today.
Oh yeah. Let's give the barrel a little chance to cool down.
Yeah, man.
But yeah, in the meantime, I like to pick up these shells. I'll bring a bag out.
Yeah, we can just fill this box up.
Yeah, I have a bag. Sorry.
Nice to be out here.
Kev, you just missed it. Went through a round of shoddy. I'm gonna do another round in a bit. Just picking up some casings here.
They're called poles. So yeah, that was a good warm up.
Yeah, that was good, man. Just a little sore.
Yeah.
Fucking been like doing some workouts at home.
Have you?
Yeah. Now it's like, oh. Plus at work, our break room's on the 4th floor, so we gotta like go up and down every break, which is nice though.
Yeah. Grab my guy's coffee.
Yo, can you grab mine too? Thanks, yo. So yeah, what a beautiful day. Kevin, what you up to? You still there?
Yeah. So now, Richard, you gotta get nice. You gotta get a shotgun now, eh?
Yeah, man. I do.
Like once you get your own and like you're all like, you know, it's yours, it's personalized, and once you learn it, the ins and outs of it, you're like incredible. We'll count the next.
Gotta go Italian.
Yeah, this is a Beretta
Yeah.
A400 Extreme Plus. It's nice. I'm gonna take it hunting. Yeah, it's good enough for trap. Like honestly, it's good. What's nice with the shots here is it gives us bonus, eh? So like there was already 8 left.
It gives you
over,
5 left.
and now we have
something,
we have 15. So when
It's
having
15 extra.
yeah,
Oh shit.
we're gonna burn through another box, yo. Pop, pop,
Yeah,
pop.
that's awesome. I still have my other coin too.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, honestly, this is the best though. Like coming here, shoddy, just like
Yeah. Take a photo of
You
this.
can
Like,
spend-
this is perfect weather right now. Like it's not hot, it's not cold.
you can spend like a good amount of time here, and it's like not super crazy, like spending wise too. And this is the most like interactive. I don't have to wear my ear pro here, right? There's no one here.
I think they technically want you to. But yeah, man. Especially, you know what? Even the prices have gone up a bit. Like trap is still affordable.
Yeah.
Like for 250 shells, like even if it's like $100 after tax, like it's cheap.
Yeah, it's gonna last you a while.
Like before, it used to be like $80, but okay, it went up $20. So like it did go up like a significant amount, but it's still affordable. Like unless you're like a savage or you're consistent with it, like 250 shells will last you a while.
Well, it's just tiring, bro. You don't want to just go at it full force.
I'd probably do max like maybe like 5 boxes before it starts to get like comfortable, and then it just becomes a chore. And then we still have all this other shit to do, which is
Actually,
why
I was gonna ask you, but we got pretty in depth with the chick there. See the hard case there?
yeah.
Do you think that would be good for the type?
Yeah, it has the foam inserts or whatever. Like I didn't look, it's probably those general plano ones, but it's on the cheaper end. But probably yeah, we can take a look after.
Yeah, after I might take a
and
look.
then maybe we can see like the store when it's like fully stocked. So you just saw me. I just bought a boar snake and fucking. I didn't plan on buying 250 rounds. So I was like, fuck it. You know
She
what?
has the Thunder 380 or 308 or whatever it is.
Yeah, 380. Yeah.
Maybe I should get one from her.
I'll take a look. See how you like the feel of this one.
Well, we'll try this 22. Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
But like, if she has one, you can't buy it anymore.
Well, it's sold out from.
That's what I mean.
Tactical
Who knows
Imports,
how
so-
long before it comes in?
Yeah, take a look.
I just want to try different calibers.
Because you can feel what I have and then see what, like the bigger version of it. It's probably just, very similar.
Bro, this is too sweet.
But yeah, the next round we'll
I don't know why anyone wouldn't want to stay indoors, man. I could sleep here, yo.
Yeah, this is a nice fucking day. How many people did you have
Yo,
watching?
we're at the plane.
Yeah.
I was up to like 9 or 10. Then we scared them off. Look at these crazy white folks. Bro, that should be us. Vacation, yo. Take me somewhere playing.
Nothing's stopping you now, bro. Go.
We'll see. Honestly, I do want to go to Florida, so if that works out. I've never been.
Yeah. Alright, it's cool enough now if you want to do the second.
You want to go? You'll go the second one?
Yeah, let's tell
Here, just bring me the. Or I'll do the pedal from here.
Do you want to do your second one now?
No, you go. You can go ahead if you want.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, go ahead. You can go. I'll do the pedal from here. I get a nice shot from here.
Okay.
This is a better angle here, and more comfortable. My lazy ass, yo, drinking my coffee.
Alright, yo, so what we gotta do now is the legit way, 5 shots
You want to
every
do from each station? Sure.
Yeah. Because then it does change it up, because it's, it's easy to shoot enough from one position, right?
Yeah, of course. I'm surprised I got the one that fucking curved left. That was.
The
I
ones
was like,
I have difficulty at is when it goes straight and like goes high, and I'm just like, fuck, I usually fuck those up. Okay. Alright, let's see how it goes.
So yeah, this is the pedal here we use. This releases the plates that then fly up in the air, and then bang. All right, whenever you're ready.
Hold.
Yeah.
Hold.
Nice.
Hold. Hold. Hold.
Oh yeah. Next station.
Hold.
Boom.
Hold.
Yeah, those ones are tough. The ones that go straight up.
Hold.
Next station. So yeah, we move over every 5. Get a nice feel of the whole place here. last section there on the side there. Let's see. There you go, split in half. Oh, my bad.
Mario, so that was 5 misses total so far.
Nice, nice.
I'm not counting that one you shot. Oh.
Bro, I don't know. I was like tapping my foot and then I was like, oh, wait a minute.
Okay.
We got extra ones, so you could have just let that one go anyways. All right.
Whoa.
Nice. Got a piece of that.
I did about average, 19 out of 25 shots, so.
That's good.
Yeah.
All right, yo. I'm up.
Yeah.
I'm just going to fire off this one before we count. I have an extra one that I dropped.
Oh, okay, yeah.
We'll do this quickly and then I'm gonna end the stream and then go back for the Type 81 because full battery's dying.
Oh yeah, okay.
Start here. I'm just gonna fire this one off.
Alright, yo, so you just have to get higher than 19, then you win.
I'm gonna fire the one off and then I'll count for that.
Okay.
Lucky I didn't count that one. We're doing 1, 2, 3, and then go back, right?
Yeah, so 5 rounds each station.
Alright, let's see. Full. 1
2 misses already, guy. Yeah, so 5 misses. So yeah, you have 10 out of 15. Huh?
One more.
You have. Yeah, this is your last one.
Yeah. So what am I at?
Like, so you have total 5 misses. All right, 6. Let's go, Richie. Oh, that's weird. Yeah, I'm gonna try pulling it again. Call it again? Yeah, it's the third time it didn't, Oh, shots. Oh, dude, did you put in your coin? Oh, okay, you didn't put in your coin, guy. Yeah, so just come back. That's why. You didn't put it in your coin, so you use all 15 bonus shots, bastard.
Well, now you're gonna have bonus off this one.
It's all good, yeah. Oh. It didn't, Yeah, it ate the coin, but didn't, Yeah, we'll let him know. Yeah. Here, I'll give you one of the coins for now. Alrighty, ready. Alright, let's get back to it. It's okay. It's all part of the experience.
All the way there, right?
Yeah. It's only friendly competition anyway. And it's a little bit windier now, but yeah, we're not professionals either.
Alright. Pull. Oh, that one felt amazing.
Yeah, it just exploded.
Pull. Yeah. Those last two were some hard ones there, yo. I'm telling you.
The mangles.
Pull. Nice.
dead in the center.
Oh yeah, when it just like
Just
when it just hooks.
so that's weird. It just ate my coin, eh?
Yeah. We'll have to let them know. How many people do you have?
Yo, hey, what's up, guys? So yeah, that's it for us for doing some shoddy here. I'm gonna do a little bit more. Looks like my phone battery is dying, so I'm gonna have to maybe use my buddy's phone here to get some of the Type 81 stuff which I wanted to get. So instead of doing that live, I might do a little highlight video of that instead. But at least, you know, you guys got to see how beautiful it is out here. Get some shotgun action in here. So anyways, thanks for everyone that tuned in. Please give me a follow, and hopefully we can do more adventures like this upcoming soon, you know, with the weather changing, getting all nice like this. So thanks again for popping by. Pleasure. Peace out, y'all.